Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. And this vlog is gonna be a bit special because it's gonna be my first long tour on my Yamaha R1. So I've got the Nelson Rigg saddlebags. It was a pain to actually put these on. Trust me, it's not fun. So I gotta fuel up before I get onto the highway. It's gonna be a 3 hours ride. Ouch. So let's see how it goes. So it's 6 p.m. in the evening. And it's gonna take me 3 hours to get to Newhaven. So it's gonna be nice. I mean, it's gonna be nice and warm. I hope it's not too warm because this suit is not cool at all. It's, trust me, right, a leather suit and you're on a 1000cc bike, so you can imagine what's the amount of heat the bike is going to produce, and also the outside temperature. The jacket is going to absorb everything. So first thing first, I got myself hydrated, drank a bottle of water before I got onto the bike. Right now we gotta fuel up. The best thing about ExxonMobil is that you have an app. You don't even have to take out your card. All you gotta do is go onto the app. Wow. Fuel number 8, select pump, authorized pump. Just gotta wait. Okay, selected my fuel type. That's gonna be 93 octane. Hey guys, I hope you guys like the video. I'm actually back from a short ride, as you guys can see. I just want to tell you that I'm really grateful that you guys showed me a lot of love on my previous video, and I greatly appreciate your support. I just wanted to confess that I actually had more footage to this video, but I unfortunately lost my GoPro pouch while I was riding to Connecticut, and it had a memory card, it had several batteries, it had chargers, which which is a sad thing, but it is what it is. I got some of the footage so that I could share with you guys, but yeah, I wish there was more footage to show you guys. But anyways, I hope you guys like the video. Please do give me a like button, if you guys liked it, and do share your comments. Do tell me what you want and what you actually like to watch, so I can provide more content on this channel. But yeah, there's more to come. Actually was having trouble with my GoPro with the mic, and I ordered something new, so let's hope that works so that I can actually vlog and take you guys around on the bike. But yeah, until then, I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of your family, and staying home. Until then, bye.